Good morning, students. This is B.N. Jha welcomes you in the e-learning class of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Dear students, today we are going to revise the main points of lesson 6, that is related to physical and chemical change. Students, in our videos, when we were learning about the lesson for the first time, we have discussed each and every topics related to this lesson. Today, once again, we will try to revise the main topics for your betterment, and if you have not seen the previous video, you may get benefited today. So the students, here we are going to learn about physical and chemical change. So what is physical change? A change in which only physical properties of matter changes and no new substance is formed is called a physical change. Only physical properties of substance changes and no new substance is formed is called physical change. The best example I would like to give you: melting of ice. When ice melts to water, the state of the matter changes, but the chemical properties of ice and water are the same. Only physical state has been changed. So this is a physical change. Magnetization of a piece of iron is a physical change, because a piece of iron gets magnetized and it may lose its magnetism after some considerable period of time, or on getting heated. Students, grinding a matter substance into a small pieces or powder is also a physical change. And many other examples also: melting of bags, formation of clouds, stretching a metal to form a wire, or hammering a metal to change it into thin sheets, formation of cloud, stretching a rubber band. These are the physical changes, because in these changes only physical properties of substance changes and no new substance is formed. Students, characteristics of physical changes are: during a physical change only physical property changes. During physical change no new substance is formed. A physical change can be either reversible or irreversible. No or very a small amount of energy is either absorbed or evolved during a physical change. Now we see about chemical change, a change in which chemical properties of a substance changes and one or more new substances are formed is called chemical change. Students, when we dip a piece of iron in copper sulfate solution, we find the blue color of copper sulfate solution changes to green. This is a chemical change. A new substance is formed. Similarly, when a piece of magnesium ribbon is burnt in presence of air, it forms magnesium oxide, evolve heat with dazzling light. In this process, magnesium ribbon changes to magnesium oxide. A new substance is formed. And so, burning of magnesium ribbon in presence of oxygen is a chemical change. Students, formation of curd from milk is a chemical change. It is because the property of curd, chemical property of curd is quite different from milk. A spoilage of food is a chemical change. Digestion of food is also a chemical change. Burning of fuel like LPG, kerosene, diesel, wood, coal, etc. are chemical change. Burning of dry leaves is chemical change. Burning of wax of candle is also a chemical change. Rusting of iron is also a chemical change. Students, chemical characteristics of chemical change, we must remember that during a chemical change, one or more new substances are formed. During a chemical change, always new substance is formed. Chemical change is permanent change, which cannot be reversed by simple physical process or by removing the cause of change. During chemical change, relatively larger amount of heat, light or other radiations can be evolved or absorbed. During a chemical change, both chemical and physical properties of matter changes. So there are quite difference in between physical and chemical change. As students, this is our duty to remember once again the differences of physical and chemical change. Thank you. See you next day.